The alluring Northwoods have always had a gravitational pull on Dr. Ken Anderson. In his youth, Ken often traveled to northern Minnesota to fish on Leech Lake or for a weekend adventure among the trees. So when it came time to find a college, it was only natural that the strongest gravitational force came from Bemidji State University. Ken's path to become an oral surgeon included 13 years of education, but he's convinced there was no better place to start out than the university in the Pines. Bemidji rang true to me, Ken says. I don't think BSU gets the shiny reputation that some of the Ivy League or private schools do, but if you look under the hood, BSU has a lot there if you're willing to take advantage of it. Of course, Ken maximized his time on campus. He was a resident assistant in the dorms, he worked at the rec center, he played intramural basketball, and he gave a glowing review of Wally's Dining Hall. He appreciated the small class sizes and the affordable tuition, which he considered a better investment in himself. Ken looks back confident that Bemidji State prepared him for the future. But it wasn't until he was jockeying for position against fellow graduate students in a competitive dental program that he realized just how equipped he was. Ken graduated from the University of Minnesota's exclusive dental school at the top of his class and then matched to oral surgery for his residency. Today, he stands as a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon, specializing in advanced facial reconstruction and implant surgery. He knows a student's work ethic is just as important as what an institution can provide, and that's why BSU was such a perfect launching point for him. That's a tribute to Bemidji State. It's rigorous, it's competitive, and it gets you qualified, Ken says. I have a lot of gratitude on a lot of different levels. Academically, it got me prepared, and it helped me develop the relationships I still have today with people I know from BSU. One of those relationships led to fulfilling humanitarian work. Jake Richmond, Ken's childhood friend and college roommate, recruited him to be a part of a program centered on Ken's skill set to help people in need of facial reconstruction or dental implant work. They've already done several cases in the Midwest and have hopes of expanding to reach more people. Ken says that when patients get their smile back, they're regaining their dignity. For all he's done beyond the Northwoods, Ken knows that his decorated career can be traced back to the beauty he found at Bemidji State, and that's why a piece of his heart still remains on campus. Bemidji has always had a good feel to it, he says. I'm still pursuing lots of goals, and part of that comes from my time at BSU.